I'm Josh Peck. I'm an attorney with Jeff Anderson and Associates, and on February 18th, 2020, the Boy Scouts of America filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. What that means for survivors is that any litigation, any lawsuits being handled in state courts get automatically moved over to the bankruptcy court. It does not mean that you can't bring a claim. It does not mean that you can't work with us to hold the Boy Scouts accountable and expose the information that they've kept secret for decades. In early 2019, a child sexual abuse expert testified at trial that she was hired by the Boy Scouts of America to review perversion files. Her testimony was that she had identified nearly 8,000 offenders in the Boy Scout files and more than 12,000 victims who could be identified. That's information that the public didn't know. That's the information that the public does not know. And with statute of limitations reform across the country, New York, New Jersey, Arizona, California, Hawaii, starting with Minnesota, the Boy Scouts were facing nearly 300 active lawsuits across the country to try to expose that information. The reason the Boy Scouts filed bankruptcy is a legal tactic, we believe, to continue to shield and protect information that they know about offenders in scouting. And we see this bankruptcy filing as a continued effort to keep that information secret and not expose the real threat and real harm facing kids and Boy Scouts today. The most important thing for survivors to know about the bankruptcy filing by the Boy Scouts of America is that you can still make a claim, you still have a voice, you can still fight with us to try to make all those perversion files public, get that information out there to protect kids, and get accountability for what was done to you. You can do that confidentially. You do not have to share your name. You do not have to be part of a state court lawsuit, go to court, and we're here to help you every step of the way if and when you choose to come forward.